Okay, so one of the ways that we can measure our distance to a VOR station using the math of a squared plus b squared is going to equal c squared, where the c squared is going to be the hypotenuse, and that is where... Dude! Question, how does a pilot handle a bird strike? Oh, so first thing you want to do is you want to take control of the aircraft, fly the aircraft, don't freak out, and lastly you want to check for damage. What happens if there is damage? So, if there is damage, first thing you want to do is a low energy descent, take that into a soft field landing at an airport. If you do happen to get a bird strike on your wing, fly into the damage, and finally once you're on the ground, have an aircraft mechanic check it out before you decide to take that aircraft flying again. No. Now, there's a lot more information that goes into this. If you want to find out more, you can join a flight school.